we tried desperately to not have to paint the ceiling in here. Spent a lot of time taping, you know, cutting in the lines, but it's become clear that the ceiling is brown and everything else is white. So I think we're gonna paint the ceiling. All right, day 16 of this renovation on the Jayco 264BH. Fingers crossed that it's only gonna be one coat, you know, with some touch-ups around the edges, but you know how that goes. It never goes. It's always 2 or 3 coats, but looks good. This is gonna look so much better. So much better. It's gonna make the camper feel so much newer. You know, we wanted to hold on to that almond looking ceiling just because it was less work, but I think in the future we might just paint every ceiling. It might look like a mess, but we're really starting to turn a corner. Things are getting done. Next up is to cut some new countertops. So we're gonna cut a new kitchen countertop, cut a new bathroom sink countertop, and we're gonna get some new nightstands in here. Let's do it.
We generally use the old countertops as a template to trace and cut the new countertops out.
Cohen's trying to pry off these 1x1s that were on the original countertops. We're going to reuse them to mount the new countertops. The more materials that we can reuse, the better. It's cost and it's just good for the environment. Isn't that right, Cohen?
Yeah.
Is this a fun job?
Not really.
You ready to put some poly on these countertops?
Yes. Sure.
Getting the whole family involved in these remodels is awesome. Seeing the kids learn, build, and enjoy helping out makes my heart happy. Backyard campouts are a summer tradition around here.
It is pretty big. Can really stretch out, huh? I think it's a 12-person tent.
It's how the kids started camping, and even though it's right out the back door, the kids feel like they're on a little adventure. In fact, this life is just one big adventure.